just around the river bend, beyond the shores, high above the trees. I forget.
Okay, Nature Man. Nature Man is on the HB channel, and he is gonna tell us what he's been seeing so far. What's that?
So we saw like beavers over here. I don't. Grandpa.
Okay, we're not going anywhere, Nature Man.
Well, yeah, we saw beavers, and they were chopping wood, and they made. Here you go, Grandpa.
And there is Kehlani, and she is.
And look what I did with these.
Yeah, what's the deal with that? Huh?
What were these?
Those are acorn. Yeah. No, they're not.
Those are pine cones.
Pine cone. Yeah.
Look what I did to these pine cones.
Yeah. Well, what's the deal? Why you do that?
Because it looks cool.
Oh, okay.
But it's like a farm.
So the petting zoo is coming up that way. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, okay. So we are at the barnyard exhibit. And let's see what's over there. That says, generally in the recognition of 10 years of stalwart service to the Southerners on Groundhog Day as an official weather procrastinator for the great state of Georgia. Yeah, what? Yeah, that's where we live.
The sign and see.
Oh, what are those? Owl!
Oh, what kind of owls?
And have feather top on the top of their head. Yeah, they don't look very happy. Grandpa, they don't look very happy. They don't look very happy.
That's how. They look. That's just their look. They're shearish.
Don't get close, guys. You don't want to spray you. Back up. Back up. Back. No one's listening. You must want a snake.
It's not a... Oh, it's close.
Foxy spray? I didn't know
Yes,
that.
they do.
What kind of spray? They look like
spray.
They look like dogs.
In defense of themselves. Yeah. Thank you, somebody.
Hey, Jinx. What's that over there?
Grandma, and Grandma Charlie. How's Biscuit? How's Biscuit? And they also weigh 35 pounds.
Stone Age. Nature Man, what's going on here?
Actually, I don't know. But I do know these rocks are from the store. Ooga booga.
Okay.
Oh,
You're just so cute. That's why. Please smile, Tally. Tell me a fun fact.
What? No, my nose. These are Amy-Ann's eyes. No, John, these are winter foxes.
Oh.
They're red foxes.
It's in the little hole. You see a Tory?
It's right there.
I'll see them.
Thank you for tuning in. This is HB. It has been a great day at Dauset Trails in Georgia. Yeah. So, taking out grandkids. Started the day doing projects, but we gotta get time in for family. Always. That's an HB rule.
Look at those barn owls. Look how creepy they look.
Really?
Looks like they're wearing a mask.
Oh, wow.
Aren't they beautiful? Just looking right at us. They look, what'd you say, Kay? They look like they're wearing a mask. And nighttime birds and birds.
Wake up! Oh wait, yeah, their faces are heart shaped. Wake up!
Tell me a fun fact, Charlie.
What's
These are the
that?
wild animals. The barn
I bet it's like an owl.
gotta go see the barn and everything.
They're in there. They're in there.
So great. These places are nearby us.
Right there. They're not in there. You can't see them. I see them. Where are they? Oh.
Sad. See how close they are?
They're going to last 4 years in the wild. 2 to 4 years in the wild. They die so quick. They can live 2 to 4 years in the wild.
What do they eat?
Grandpa, it's too hot.
Something about
Pulling me off.
Oh, you get a nice spray. Oh, that feels good. Tolly, we're going right
Hello.
here. Let's look up here. Come on.
Alright, yeah, let's look up here. What are up here?
And take a break and have a
The best part about the zoo so far is that water thing. But you really gotta get into it.
Yeah.
I was like, thanks a lot, guys. Cold and the
Hey guys. Okay. So right now we're looking at the bison, the buffaloes, the turkeys, the deers, the black meat, and right now we're trying to find the black bison. Okay. See after we find it. Okay, no luck, but we were able to find the deer and the buffalo. Yeah, the buffalo and turkey.
Mariah has to use it. We gotta
And
head towards the back.
we couldn't find the black bison. I think it's very rare, or it wasn't here yet. Okay. See you in a little bit.
Yeah, bobcat. Check out the bobcat. Tell us about the bobcat.
Bobcat. Most of North America. Bobcats named for their short tail. Or
Ooh, that's the hawk. Okay.
I see the great
Yeah. So what's a fun fact about the bald eagle?
This the symbol of the United States. The band, the bald eagle remains, but was removed from the Egyptian
Tolly's reading.
Almost
list
finished with my
in 2007. Bald eagles mute from life. The bills are 6 feet across.
Remember they were building this
Oh.
It wasn't ready, remember?
Yeah.
They were building it. Now look at it.
Oh, so why are the vultures living with the bear?
To warm their wings, guys. That's how they warm their wings. After they get wet, I guess. That is so cool.
Okay, that's very wet. Oh, do you guys wish you were the vultures?
No.
Oh, no.
Why?
Uh-oh, he smells somebody. He smells somebody. I wonder who did he smell? Who did he smell? He came right over here. Atali, come back down here. Stay together. Group. She can hold a feather. I found it.
Everybody use the restroom. Come on.
I'll walk this one. Wait, is there still baby pigs? Is there still babies?
I want to see the goats. All right, this is HB and HB6. We are bringing you some, what are we bringing? Content from visiting a zoo and at Dauset Trail. All right, so stay tuned. We have HB6, that is our tour guide, and he's having fun. All right, stay tuned, man. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, like and subscribe. Oh yeah, it looks great. Ooh. Okay, so you got a log house. You got a syrup kettle. Oh, you can explore things. Let's check it out. Let me see about the well. This is how people can get water back in the day. Or is it a pretend well? It might be a pretend well. But this is a not cool design though. We could probably do this as a project and build it. Check it out. So we are still here touring Dauset Trails, looking at this log cabin structure here. Oh, this is interesting. They have the traditional cellar. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're seeing if the goats are gonna come for some pear. Oh, the black goat is like, hey. I guess he's the leader. Wait till he comes. Wait till he comes. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. You wait for it. Oh, let's see if he's gonna take it. He wants the leaves. He wants the leaves.
Oh, okay, I see what they
Come on, girl.
The white goat's like, nah, I got my own grass. Look at the white one. It's cool. Look. Then to eat.
Let him eat it out your hand. Don't stick your fingers there.
It's fine. Then, don't let them eat your fingers. Maybe that's lunch.
Put it closer. Tali, closer.
That's scary.
Just put it in the palm of your hand.
Yeah, we don't want them.
I'm getting it. I don't want them in to see. You can pet it. Eat.
The blacksmith shop does metal work. they melt stuff and form it into different things like swords and rakes and okay. And here's a barn with a tractor. Pretty cool construction. Oh, okay. That's another way to make the project like that.
I can't wait to see some
Pig. Huh? Yeah, it's pretty cool the way they have it set up. It's like replicas of things. Yeah. The animals are out. The animals are out in the yard. Oh.
And they're in barns.
Okay. This little cabbage patch. Oh, pumpkin. Oh, interesting. And this is a chicken. Yeah, that's a chicken. It's a rooster and one chicken.
Oh, look. And there's one in here. Guys, look at this. Look how many chickens are over there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more over here.
We didn't get a chance to check out the blacksmith. And so they have something. They have to build up a fire. They have their water. Oh, that's called an anvil right there. That's where they beat out the metals and stuff. And that's what they use to create the fire, to get it up to a certain temperature. And they have a vice grip to hold it while they shape it. Cool blacksmith. I like the structure here, how they built it. Oh yeah, this is pretty cool. Nice visit. Hey. Building a country house. Got the front porch and goes around to the back porch. And got a little steeple. And we come out on the short back porch. I guess it would be the bedroom back here. Yep. This is it. Thanks for joining us. We had a great time at Dauset Trails in Georgia, nearby Florvilla. So if you're ever in town, check it out and enjoy just as much fun as we had. This is HB. Thanks for joining me. Hey, like and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you content. Bye.
I don't see anything else. This is all we have.
Ready for the trip home.
There are other options.